In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable discounts in QuickBooks online. Let's dive in and make sure your accounting system is set up just the way you need it. First, begin by logging into your QuickBooks online account. On your main dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. This is the feature icon that gives you access to various account settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you've clicked the icon, a menu will drop down displaying several options. From this list, select Account and Settings. This section is essential as it houses various configuration options for your account, including our focus for today, which is sales. Now that you're in the Account and Settings section, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see several categories listed there. What you're looking for next is the Sales option, so go ahead and click on that. This brings up the sales settings, where you configure everything relating to transactions, invoices, and of course, discounts. As you're now in the sales settings page, you should see an option called Sales Form Content. This is key because it allows you to edit the content that's included on sales forms such as invoices, estimates, and receipts. Click on Sales Form Content to proceed with editing its settings. Within the Sales Form Content settings, you can enable or disable discounts based on your business needs. Discounts can be an effective way to attract and retain customers, so it's a handy feature to know how to navigate. Here you'll notice a switch next to the discount option. To enable discounts, simply click the switch to turn it green. The switch turning green signifies that the discounts feature is fully enabled. With the discounts feature now activated, you'll want to ensure your changes are saved. Look for the Save button and give that a click to confirm all your settings. This step is crucial as it ensures all the adjustments you've made are registered and applied to your sales forms. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled the discounts feature in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you now have the ability to offer discounts directly on your invoices and sales forms, helping you manage promotional pricing smoothly and effectively. Remember, QuickBooks is a powerful tool that caters to a variety of business needs, so don't hesitate to explore and tweak other settings to optimize your accounting system. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to further enhance your QuickBooks skills. See you next time.